Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow or don't allow music and audio access permission in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon and then click on permission manager. Now in permission manager, scroll down and click on music and audio. Now here it will show you the list of apps that can use the music and audio permission. So if you want to deny an app to use the music and audio permission, then go to the allowed section and from here tap on that app and then click on don't allow. And now here click on don't allow anyway to confirm, and now this app is denied to use the music and audio access permission, and this app is moved to the not allowed section. So this is the not allowed section, and you can see the gallery app is moved to the not allowed section. And if you want to allow this app to use the music and audio access permission, then tap on the app and from here click allow, and now this app is allowed to use the music and audio access permission. So that's how you can allow or don't allow music and audio access permission in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.